Bitcoin mining is like a global competition where participants called miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles are designed to be difficult to solve, but easy to verify. Imagine a Sudoku puzzle that takes hours to solve, but anyone can check the answer in seconds. That's similar to how Bitcoin mining works. Miners have two main goals. First, they validate and add new transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is like a public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions ever made. Think of it as adding a new page to a book that everyone can read. Second, miners create new Bitcoins as a reward for their efforts. Just like gold miners discover new gold, Bitcoin miners bring new Bitcoins into circulation. This process is crucial for Bitcoin's security and functionality. Without miners, there would be no way to confirm transactions or prevent fraud. It's the backbone of the entire Bitcoin system. Bitcoin was designed to be decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity like a bank or government. This is where mining comes in. By spreading the mining process across countless individuals and groups worldwide, Bitcoin ensures no one can manipulate the system for their own benefit. Imagine a network of computers, each representing a miner, spread across the globe. They all work together to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This distributed nature makes Bitcoin incredibly resilient. Even if some miners leave the network or try to act dishonestly, the system continues to function securely. This decentralization is one of Bitcoin's key innovations and a major reason for its growing popularity. It offers a level of freedom and security not found in traditional financial systems. Let's break down the mining process into simpler steps. First, transaction gathering. Imagine a miner as a data collector. They gather pending Bitcoin transactions from the network, like someone collecting letters to be mailed. Second, block creation. The miner groups these transactions into a block, similar to arranging the letters into a package. They also add a special transaction called the Coinbase transaction, which rewards them with new Bitcoins. Third, puzzle solving. Now comes the challenging part. The miner must solve a complex mathematical puzzle, like finding a unique key to lock the package securely. This process requires significant computing power. Fourth, block broadcasting. Once the puzzle is solved, the miner broadcasts the completed block to the entire network, announcing their success. Finally, verification and addition. Other miners verify the solution and, if correct, add the block to the blockchain, permanently recording the transactions. The process then repeats with a new block. This continuous cycle of puzzle solving and block addition ensures the integrity and security of the Bitcoin network. The mathematical puzzle miners solve is based on a concept called proof of work. This mechanism ensures the security and reliability of the Bitcoin blockchain. Here's how it works. Computational power. Miners invest significant computing power to find the solution to the puzzle. This investment acts as a deterrent against malicious actors. First come, first served. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the blockchain and claim the reward. Majority rules. The blockchain with the most accumulated work, solved puzzles, is considered the true and valid one. This prevents any single entity from altering past transactions. Proof of work ensures that any attempt to manipulate the blockchain would require an impractical amount of computing power, making it extremely secure. Mining rewards. The incentive to secure the network. Mining is a resource-intensive process, so miners need incentives to participate. That's where mining rewards come in. They come in two forms: block rewards and transaction fees. The first miner to solve the puzzle and add a block to the blockchain receives a predetermined amount of newly created Bitcoins. This reward halves approximately every 4 years, ensuring a controlled and gradually decreasing rate of Bitcoin creation. Users can choose to add a small fee to their transactions to incentivize miners to prioritize their transactions. Miners typically include transactions with higher fees in their blocks first. These rewards compensate miners for their efforts and encourage them to contribute to the security and stability of the Bitcoin network. The energy dilemma: Bitcoin's consumption and sustainable solutions. Bitcoin mining requires a lot of energy, which has raised concerns about its environmental impact. The energy-intensive nature of mining stems from the computational power required to solve the complex mathematical puzzles. However, the Bitcoin community is actively exploring and implementing solutions to address this issue. Many mining operations are transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower, reducing their carbon footprint. Mining hardware and algorithms are constantly evolving, becoming more energy efficient and requiring less power to operate. Some cryptocurrencies are exploring alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, which consumes significantly less energy than proof of work. While the energy consumption of Bitcoin mining is a valid concern, ongoing efforts are paving the way for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future for cryptocurrency. The pillars of Bitcoin: why mining matters. Bitcoin mining is not just about creating new coins. It's the foundation upon which the entire Bitcoin system rests. Here's why it's so crucial. Network security. Miners act as guardians, protecting the Bitcoin network from attacks and ensuring the integrity of transactions. Decentralization. The distributed nature of mining ensures that no single entity controls Bitcoin, promoting fairness and censorship resistance. Coin distribution. Mining is the only way new Bitcoins are created and introduced into circulation, following a predictable and controlled issuance schedule. Without mining, Bitcoin wouldn't be secure, decentralized, or even exist in the first place. Navigating the mining landscape. Challenges and opportunities. Bitcoin mining is not without its challenges. Aspiring miners need to be aware of rising costs. The cost of mining equipment and electricity can be high, especially as the difficulty of mining increases. Environmental impact. The energy consumption of mining has environmental implications, although efforts are underway to mitigate this. Decreasing rewards. As the block reward halves periodically, miners need to adapt to maintain profitability. However, there are also opportunities. Technological advancements. New hardware and mining techniques are constantly emerging, potentially increasing efficiency and profitability. Growing demand. As Bitcoin gains wider adoption, the demand for mining services is likely to increase, creating new opportunities. Aspiring miners need to carefully weigh these factors and stay informed about the latest developments in the mining industry. Joining the mining community. Tips for beginners. For those interested in trying out Bitcoin mining, here are some beginner-friendly options. Cloud mining. Rent mining power from companies with large-scale mining operations, reducing the need for upfront investment and technical expertise. Mining pools. Join forces with other miners to combine computing power and increase the chances of earning rewards. Research and education. Thoroughly research different mining hardware, software, and strategies to make informed decisions. Remember, Bitcoin mining can be complex and competitive. Starting with smaller investments and gradually learning the ropes is crucial for beginners. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining is the engine that powers the Bitcoin network, ensuring its security, decentralization, and continued operation. While it faces challenges like energy consumption and rising costs, ongoing innovations and the dedication of the mining community are paving the way for a more sustainable and accessible future for this vital aspect of the cryptocurrency ecosystem.